What are we doing today? You're watching Play-Doh?
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
Yeah.
What are you watching?
The Play-Doh.
This? Ooh, cool.
Ooh, cool. Who did that?
I don't know.
Maybe Play-Doh guy.
Maybe the Play-Doh guy?
Yeah.
Which Play-Doh guy?
I show you.
You show me? What is this? Play-Doh Touch? That's an octopus. Stella, what are we doing today? What are you showing?
Play-Doh.
We're playing with Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? We actually have... What is this? This is Softy Dough.
Softy Dough.
This is Softy Dough, guys. So we actually have Softy Dough. And so it's not Play-Doh, it's Softy Dough by Crazy Art. But it's like Play-Doh, it's moldable.
No.
Moldable, it's moldable like Play-Doh still. But look at this. This is Play-Doh Touch Shape to Life Studio. So that's what Stella was watching a video of. So this is what you do. You shape your creations, you make your shapes and you create, and you download an app. It's called the Play-Doh Touch app.
That guy?
That's a dinosaur. So
What that?
somebody playing. So you guys have to download this Play-Doh Touch app, right? Shape to Life Studio. And so then you build you can create anything. You can also build this set comes with a little here. This is kind of like a little portal kind of, right? A little stage where you put your creations once you make them. Once you download the app, you can take a picture from the game. It has a camera access, and then you can take a picture of your creation, and it comes to life, right?
No,
It comes to life. I know you want to show. Go sit on your chair so we can show them. So then you can explore, right? You can play in the game so your creation comes to life in an actual game, right? It's really, really cool. The set does include a couple of these cool shapes here and animal molds. So here is again the plate here, guys. As you can see, this is a music note. And what is this? Oh, this is a butterfly. Can you guys see that? Comes with a butterfly. And this is... I don't know, is that a cloud?
No, that.
Or what is that? It looks like a cloud. And here is a balloon. That's a balloon. And this is like a bottle, like a potion bottle or something. And again, this is made by Play-Doh. But sorry, we don't have Play-Doh. We only found Softy Dough because we actually got this set a while back. But Stella found it and wanted to play with it. So we're like, let's make a video. So yeah, and then here are our shapes, our molds. We've got a dinosaur mold. Can we see the mold? Show us, baby.
A goat mold.
Is that which one's that one?
A goat mold.
A goat? Can I see a ghost? Can I see the ghost? Can I see it? So Stella said this is a ghost mold. Ooh. And guys, it's almost Halloween, right?
Yeah.
What else do we have? Show me the other molds. What's this one?
An octopus.
Is it? No, it's a jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
It's a jellyfish.
A jellyfish mold.
Jellyfish mold. And what do we have? What else?
Sheep.
It's a sheep. It looks like a sheep, but I think this is... Because see, this is the sheep here. You see the sheep? I couldn't find it. We couldn't find it. It's misplaced. But this is a sheep. And this orange one is what this is. I'm not sure what it is, guys. Can anybody tell what it is? Let me see.
Look.
Alright, let's take a closer look at this one. Can anybody tell what it looks like? A sheep. But it also looks, I don't know, it might be the sheep. But I'm not sure. It does look like it. What else? What else do we have? How about this one? What is this one?
No.
What's that one, Stella?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can I see? I'll tell you what it is. It looks like a little roly-poly or a little snail. Oh, it's a little worm. It's a little worm. Yeah, it's a little worm. So this one here is what, Stella?
What?
A worm? It's a little blue wiggly worm. And then we have these other little molds that we just had upstairs. We've got a star, a palm tree. It looks like a flower shape. And a little acorn, right? We've got more molds upstairs, guys. But we just brought these down. So we've got a star. We've got a palm tree. We will right now. We've got like a flower shape. And we've got an acorn. And Stella is eager. Yeah, we'll open right now. And what do you have? What are you holding, Stella?
Rolling pin.
It's a rolling pin for what?
Okay.
For the Play-Doh to roll it, right?
Yeah.
Before we make the shapes?
Yeah.
And Stella is excited. She has her app ready to go to take a picture. So we'll quickly show you guys. We'll create some shapes. Okay, let's get started. We want to open the Play-Doh?
I want blue.
You want blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue my favorite.
Blue's your favorite?
Raspberry.
Raspberry? You mean blueberries?
Blueberry.
Raspberries are like a reddish pink, right?
Yeah.
Here's red. Let's show them the colors. Why don't you tell them what the colors are? What color is it, Stella?
Blue.
Blue. Let's show them blue.
Pink.
Pink? Or you want to take out the pink? Tell us all the colors.
White.
Which one's white? This is white. Can you guys see white?
Yellow.
Yellow. You want to take out the yellow and show them?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Yeah.
So that's it. We have blue, yellow. What color is this?
Orange.
What color is this?
White.
What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. What color is this? What color is this?
Purple.
Purple?
Yeah. Purple.
Purple.
What color is it?
What color is that?
Red.
Red. And what color is this?
Ducky.
Green. Good job. Okay, so let's get a small piece of each color. Let's get a small piece of each color so we don't dry our Play-Doh, right? So we don't dry our crazy dough. We're going to get a small piece and then we'll put the rest back in their container so that we can close the container and so that we can save some Play-Doh for later, right?
Yeah.
We don't have to use it all. We can just use small pieces. And let's create a shape or an animal so we can use the game. We can put our creation in the game. We can take a picture and we can show them how it works, right, Stella? You made a star? Okay, now that's a lot of blue. Let's redo it with a little bit of blue. Okay, let's create something. What do you want to make? A star?
Yeah.
A star. How about okay, let's make a star. I'm just closing these, guys. I'm just closing these. Okay, and where's the blue cap? Here we go. Okay, where's our rolling pin? Don't forget to roll it. Good job. All right, let's make the star now. Make the star now. Push it hard. Push it hard. Harder. Got it. Now we can... Yay, look at that. You want to show them? Look at that star. That perfect blue star. So, Stella, let's put it here. Show them. Okay, so now we're going to show you guys the app for the Play-Doh Touch. As you can see, we've downloaded the app here. We're going to click on the app. And Hasbro, right? Hasbro. Whoops. Look at Stella. Play-Doh Touch. Shape to Life Studio. So you shape, you make a shape, and then you take a picture, and then you explore. And then you can play, right? It's like a little world, a Play-Doh world.
I like that song.
You like that song?
Yeah.
Cool.
How do you make that song?
How you make that song?
Yeah.
People make the song, sweetheart.
But why?
Cool. But why?
Yeah.
Because music is great. Because music is awesome. That's why. Turn on music. Cool. So do you want to take a picture of this star now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, you have to put it here and take a picture.
Oh, no.
You don't want to show them?
I want go.
Okay. So let's make a ghost. Let's make them white. You want to make a white?
No.
Blue? But it needs more. It needs to be bigger.
But why, Mommy?
Okay, go. Now make it. Make the ghost now. Push it harder. Push. Did we do it? Now we can do this. Look. Let's remove this. And let's see our ghost. Yay!
Oh.
You can put little eyes if you want. You can do little eyes. Should we do little eyes?
Yeah.
It has molds for the eyes already, so let's just go ahead and do that. Let's just go ahead and make some molds for the eyes.
Oh, haven't paid yet.
Let's just make our own eyes, okay?
Yeah.
So that it was a little monster ghost, and he had another eye here, right, Stella?
I need happy face.
Okay, so there's our face, and then we can make the little
Happy face.
eyeballs here, right?
Yeah, I make you come.
Stella, do you want to take a picture and show them?
Oh, that's cute.
There, can you guys see that? Look at that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
That's cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's show them. Let's take a picture of our ghost and show them, okay? Okay, so you bring the iPad, you take a picture, and you open your Play-Doh can, and out comes your creation. Okay, so here we go, guys. All right, see that?
I need to make nice.
There, we got our guy. He's inside. He's inside now. You want to open it? Open it. There it is. There's our guy. Guy, there's our guy. Now what? Go, you just explore now. You can play. Yeah, bring him around to check everything out.
Yeah,
Collect more. You have two now.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, I'm
Yeah, there's two of them. Do you want to make more stuff for the game? Yeah, they're friends. You explore the Play-Doh world. Whee! Yeah, get that. Go get that Play-Doh one. Let's try and jump up.
Turn on.
Oh, an acorn. And you made an acorn. Let's make another acorn. Is it good?
Yeah.
Now let's put the acorn there.
Oh, you go.
I'm a scary ghost. Press the rainbow button. Oh, wait. Oh, that worked. Okay. So what do we have? Do we have the acorn? Is the acorn coming? What? Wow, we have acorn trees. Everything is blue. Maybe we use another color so we can make a rainbow land. A rainbow world. Is that fun?
Whoa.
Stella, let's create something else. What's next? What do you want to make?
I want to make a rainbow.
A rainbow? Let's make a rainbow.
Yeah,
Yay.
rainbow is that.
Okay, let's make a rainbow.
Let's go do it.
Okay.
Rainbow inside.
Purple on top. Then blue.
Okay, I just want to make it. Who tile?
Who The ghost is tired because he wants you to play with him. He's getting bored. He's getting bored. Play with him.
Oh, I can't do it. Whoa. Yeah.
Okay, we're just going to make a rainbow.
I'm not letting me.
Not
How
letting you?
get down here? Oh.
Okay.
Oh, raining fun.
I'm still making a rainbow, guys.
Look at that pretty rainbow.
Look at that pretty rainbow. Our rainbow's pretty? Yes, Stella?
Oh.
Our rainbow's pretty?
No.
It doesn't really matter. You can make any kind of rainbow, guys. It doesn't have to look like the rainbow you're used to. You can make an all pink rainbow with different colors of pink, right? And then let's add orange, yellow.
Oh, don't like me.
And he likes you.
Oh, I'm tired.
He tired?
Yeah. I want to play
So
with
we have
them.
orange now.
I want to play with them. I want to play with them.
Play with them. Go. You play. Now we just need yellow, right? Yellow. Yellow like the sun, right?
Yeah.
The sun is yellow. And I'm just molding these Play-Dohs, just rolling them with my fingers, my hands, using my hands. See, these needed to be a little bit, but we can shape them like that, right? And we can cut the yellow. There, we made a rainbow, Stella. Look at that. Do you like the rainbow?
Yeah.
You gonna show the rainbow? How about we make a butterfly to go with the rainbow? Can you make a pink butterfly? Here's the butterfly. Look. Do we want to use this butterfly?
Oh, yeah. Make the music.
You want to make a music note?
Yeah, music. No.
Okay.
Oh, I'm tired.
You tired?
Yeah.
You can use the rolling pin. Here's the rainbow that we made. And now we're going to put the rainbow here. There, we got to make it a little thinner. Now press it hard. All right, now remove that, remove this. Help mommy. Oh, there. There's your music note. Let's show them a picture of the rainbow. Let's take a picture of the rainbow.
How about that?
How do we take a picture, sweetheart? Like this? We press...
No. Pale.
Press that?
Yeah, pale.
There we go. We press that Play-Doh.
Press that pale.
And then... Play-Doh there. Okay, Stella. I'm going to show them and you press the screen to take the photo. Oh, it did it. Wow, look, we have a rainbow, Stella.
I had to.
We have a rainbow on the game now. In the game now. Look at that.
I need to go from rainbow.
We've got a rainbow. What's that?
A rainbow pale.
Oh, wow. What's it gonna do now? A cloud. Oh, how cute.
Rainbow. Oh, now we're going there. You want to check out the video. Bye.